Noise Earbuds True Wireless Earphones with 4-hour battery life launched in market. Noise Earbuds have been launched as the latest entrant in the company's True Wireless Stereo (TWS) portfolio. They have an AirPods-like stem design and boast of impressive features such as touch controls, access to voice assistant, water resistance, and a lightweight design. The Noise Earbuds come in a single color option with a glossy finish, and the case supports charging via a Type-C port. These TWS earbuds come with an advertised 20-hour battery life, and the charging case does not support fast charging. Noise Earbuds price and market. The Noise Earbuds are priced at 2,499 rupees and are offered in a single icy white color option. Currently, the Noise Earbuds are listed for 1,999 rupees on the official website, and this discounted price is only valid for today, November 3rd. The TWS earphones are available for purchase through the official website and Amazon. Noise Earbuds specifications, features. The Noise Earbuds feature 13mm drivers that deliver a balanced sound. They use Bluetooth 5.0 for connectivity and have a range of 10 meters. They also support SBC and AAC audio profiles. The Noise Earbuds are compatible with both Android and iOS devices. The earbuds themselves come with 45 mAh battery that can deliver 4 hours of playtime. They can be charged via the case in about 1.2 hours. Speaking of the case, it has a 500 mAh battery and can provide an additional 16 hours of playtime. The case itself takes 2 hours to charge via the USB Type-C port. You get hands-free calling, touch controls, and access to Siri and Google Assistant with the Noise Earbuds. The touch controls can be used to control volume, accept/reject calls, and play/pause music. The Noise Earbuds weigh 4.5 grams each and come with IPX4 sweat resistance rating. The two earbuds have individual mics for clear voice calls. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.